Well, Maestro, it's time for me to go to Garfield High now.
Oh, that's right. Today's the day of the big game, huh?
Right.
Well, enjoy yourself, and I hope Garfield wins.
Oh, they will. Are you gonna come with me?
Oh, I'm kind of old for a water boy.
But you can play if they need you.
Chavo, I'm not quite high school age anymore. You go ahead, they need you.
Okay, but you really should be playing football. You're great.
That was an accident. Go on, I'm an old man.
Okay, but if you change your mind, I'll be at the football field.
I won't. I really was pretty good, though. Well, I think I'll just grab a little shut-eye. Oh.
Today's a big game. You can make me into Garfield High's mascot. Make me into a bulldog.
Oh, okay, but we'd better hurry.
Well, let's go.
Okay, now, with a twist of my wrist and a banana peeled, take Chivo and I to the football field, yeah.
Nothing's happened.
Well, that must have been the wrong spell. Let me see. With a twist,
Go! G! H! S! Go! G-H-S! Go! Do it! Hey, go! G! H! S! Go G-H-S! Go fight, win, hey, go! G! H! S! Go G-H-S! Go fight, win, hey!
These guys are tougher than we thought. Let's run to the left side. I'm ready, ready, ready?
This team's tougher than we thought.
We'll win. We're just warming up, that's all.
You're right. Oh, no! Ojeda's hurt. Oh, no!
It's all right, Chavo. It's all right.
Okay, team, now that Ojeda's out of the game, we should be able to score easily. Let's run a 32 dive on one. 32 dive on one. Ready? All right.
No, Josie, I'm gonna go get Maestro.
What in heaven's for, Chavo?
We need a quarterback.
You've got to be kidding. Maestro?
You'll see. It's almost halftime. I better go hurry and get Maestro. Maestro, apúrate! You gotta help us! Hurry!
Well, what's wrong, Chavo? What's wrong?
Garfield's in trouble. Ojeda, the quarterback, is hurt, and you've got to quarterback the team.
I can't.
They need you.
They do?
Please come. You can win. You can win for Garfield.
Well, all right, let's go.
Maestro's suiting up.
You're kidding!
No, he's number 10.
Oh, he's gonna be killed!
Oh, no, he's not. They won't even touch old number 10.
fellas, this is going to be a fast play around right end.
Who's going to see?
Just wait. I'll surprise you. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, guys, we better get this Domingo guy out of the game. Let's run a 22 quick on one, 22 quick on one. Ready?
Yeah!
Oh, they buried him!
Hey, fellas, I'm over here.
Oh, boy! The game's tied up! Go get him, Maestro! We're ahead! We're ahead!
I can't believe it! He makes Joe Namath look like a tennis player!
Maestro, we won, ganamos!
Oh, I know. Wasn't I great? Wasn't I...
Huh? What are you talking about, Maestro?
Never mind, Chavito. Just a silly old man's daydreams. Come on, let's go find Chivo.